Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. It's going to be a fairly warm day today, so let's see how much of this tin ceiling we can get installed. When we left off in our last video, I had put this row of tin in and a row of insulation. I could have put 2 rows of insulation in, but it was getting really late. So I'm going to start today by getting this second row in. I believe the insulation only comes to like right here, so it's okay to put it in. I don't want to put it in if it's covering up the edge, because then I have to lift it up to tape the seams, and we're taping all of the seams on this. So right away, we'll get this row of insulation in, and then we'll get to the next row of tin. All right, I have my insulation done, and I have the next R30 in there. Well, let me show you that real quick. I have this stuff staged all over the place so that it can fluff out. It's really compressed in the bundle that they sell it in. There you have it. When I put that last piece in here, I'll give this stuff its final fluffing, and it should be good to go. I do believe it's warmer up here right now because the sun is hitting the tin. Well, the tin's not really warm, but we'll go check the temperature. All right, I'm gonna go walk the dogs after we check the temperature, and then when I get back, we're gonna put a row of tin in. Hopefully I can get it done today. It's already past noon, and I can only work till 4. We have 36 degrees in here, according to that, and it's about right. Yeah, 36. Yeah, 35.4 indoor, and 43 degrees up there. So it's 8 degrees warmer up there. Pretty interesting. I really want to see this once we get this whole thing sealed off and we're using the heater, what the difference is going to be, because once that's sealed off up there and the sun hits that tin, it should get fairly warm up there even in the winter. Okay, let me walk the dogs, and when we get back, we'll start putting some tin in. All right, quick walk of the dogs and just a real quick bite to eat, and it's already 1:45. I generally knock off at 4 o'clock so I can get the video produced before I have to go to bed at night, but we'll see. I might work a little bit past that, but I'm not going to be able to do any fancy recording or anything. I'm just going to have to get going and get this done, because this goes past one of the trusses, so I have those two joist hangers there, and that is going to hit, unfortunately, right here. So when I'm doing these, when I'm putting the screws in, the screws go here and here. I'm going to have to drill through those because the self-tapping screws won't go right through that, and it'll get all buckled and stuff. So I got to drill holes for every one, which is quite a few. All right, let's get going on this. Okay, another row done. We only have, let's see, we have one row, and this next row is going to have the electric going through it. And then, and then one more row, which is going to go to about here, and then that's going to be it. Then I can work on the wall, get the wall finished, because I need the F and J molding at the top of the wall to finish the ceiling. So 2 more rows, and I'm going to be stopping on the ceiling, working on the wall here. The wall should go pretty quick. All I have to do is cut some fillers to go between the top of the top plate and the bottom cord there, and then screw up into it, get it nice and flush, and then screw up into it, and then screw into the ends on both sides. Then that's it for the wall. Oh, I need blocking. The blocking is going to go here. The next one will go up here, and that goes all the way across. So that'll take a while. I don't think it'll take too long, but so I'm guessing 1 or 2 days. Then once I have that F and J, I could put the last 3 pieces in. Those will have to be cut. They're only going to be a foot wide, so that's going to be kind of difficult cutting these things the entire length, but we'll get it done. All right, I better get going. The sun is down and I got to walk the dogs again today. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be pretty interesting. Every single bay has to be measured for the insulation because the insulation is going this way and it's over the bottom cord of the truss. It's not going to be real hard, but it is going to take a while. Every single one has to be measured and every single one has to be taped. So it is going to take a while. And I had something else to do. Can't remember what it is tomorrow. But anyways, if you want to see this, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.